How to make more than one account on Telegram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make more than one account on Telegram. Start by opening the Telegram app on your mobile device. Then tap on Start Messaging and enter your phone number, then tap Continue. Next, go to Settings from the bottom right corner and tap on My Profile. Select Add Another Account and enter another phone number, then tap Continue. Once that's done, go back to Settings and repeat the process by tapping Add Account and add another account. Enter the phone number and tap Continue, then enter the verification code. You can repeat these steps to add as many accounts as needed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.